I got to know Jspiders through online and I joined a Java stack development course. Coming to the trainers, I'm very thankful for all the staff and faculties in the institute, and all trainers were very supportive and helped me to learn basic Java concepts thoroughly. And attending the mocks and tests helped me have a grip on all the concepts, and attending the presentation classes as well helped me understand my communication skills and areas for my improvement. And coming to my interview, I got placed through a company through Jspiders, and there were two rounds, technical and as well as HR round. In technical round, they asked questions related to core Java, advanced concepts like JDBC, Hibernate and Spring Boot as well. In my HR round, they asked some basic questions as well. Thank you very much.